Hello to everyone, this is Jaime. Today I am going to share with you guys how I cook a chicken rice. So the first thing that I am going to do is to rub the chicken with the salt all over the skin. Okay guys, after rubbing with the salt, you have to rinse the chicken properly. After you rinse the chicken, season it with salt all over the skin. And also don't forget to put some salt inside as well. So I am going to add in the ginger now and the garlic inside the chicken. So I am also adding some spring onion inside. And to add a good fragrance, add some lemongrass as well. I have a big pot of boiling water with 3 tablespoons of salt. Let the chicken boil for 2 minutes to cook the outside of the chicken. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat, remove the chicken and rinse with tap water. This is actually help the chicken to have a better firm texture. After you rinse, put back the chicken into the pot and boil for 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, turn off the heat and let the pot aside and leave it closed for another 30 minutes. Do not open. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, remove all the herbs inside and let the chicken cool down by itself for at least an hour before cutting the chicken later. So guys, I am preparing the rice now. So I have here at least 4 cups of rice. I have here 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, finely chopped ginger and finely chopped garlic. So let's get started and cook the rice now. So I am adding the cooking oil, and at the same time I'm going to add also the sesame oil. Add in the chopped ginger and also add in the garlic and let it fry for about 2 minutes. So I am adding the rice now. So let it fry for at least 1 to 2 minutes with the ginger and the garlic. And wow, it smells really good. So I am going to transfer the rice now into this rice cooker and let it cook. So I am adding the chicken stock. This is actually from the chicken just now. So I don't have to put some salt into it because I've already added salt just now into the chicken when I cook. So for this one I add a pandan leaf just to have a good fragrance. So guys, while waiting for the rice to cook, I am making my own chili sauce, and this is garlic and chili. So I need to use the stone pounder for this one. So the rice is already cooked, so I have to remove the pandan leaf, and I need to mix up the rice and just to loosen up the rice and just leave it open. Hey guys, I am going to cut the chicken now. So see you later guys when I am going to eat. So I have to cut this one first. So guys, this is how it looks like. Wow, this is my own homemade chicken rice. So I am going to eat now. I'm going to put some lime. Also, I'm going to add some soya sauce. Wow, this is super yummy. And then we just mix up. So I am going to eat now. So I have here plain water. So let me try my chicken rice. So I am going to take a piece of chicken and put it into the chili. More chili. I love chili. And I'm going to eat. Best chicken rice. I also have some soup here. This is actually the soup from the chicken when I boiled the chicken just now. Wow, so yummy. Let me try the drumstick. Put some chili into the drumstick. Very nice. So soft. This is the best chicken rice. The chicken is so yummy. Just like wow. And this is some cucumber. This is actually goes well with the chicken rice. Yummy. Thank you again guys for watching. I hope you enjoy this chicken rice recipe of mine. See you again next time. Bye.